The universe pushed this video right now. Money is coming your way. One person just felt that sentence hit their stomach. That's you. This is not a coincidence. This is your sign. The moment you open this, the universe said, now. Someone watching just looked at their wallet, trade screen, or notification bar and felt the shift inside. Cash flow is moving. Opportunities are aligning. This is your reading. Breathe slow. Feel your body relax into it. Feel the room get quiet. Feel your own heartbeat match the rhythm of the words. This is for you. Question we are asking together. Why did the universe push this video into your feed exactly now? What is it trying to tell you? What proof is already in the cards that money is coming? Deck is in my hands, shuffling slow. Every card is touched by intention. Every card is speaking to you, the one person who needed this most. 5 cards drawn just for you. First card, past energy that held you back. 5 of Pentacles reversed cold, empty. Money always felt like it was on the other side of a wall. You saw others win. You saw cash move, but it never reached you. You worked, you tried, you hoped, still felt left outside. But reversed, this card says the wall is cracking. The scarcity story is ending. The universe already started reversing it. You survived the cold. You learned. Now the energy flips. Second card. What is happening inside you right now? Ace of Pentacles. A golden coin drops from the sky into your open palm. This is not a dream. This is real. A seed, an opportunity, a notification, an idea that pays, a payment that lands. Something tangible is being placed in front of you at this exact moment. You felt it already. Maybe your phone buzzed. Maybe a thought hit hard. Maybe your gut said, look. That was the ace. The universe is handing you the seed. All you have to do is plant it. Third card, what will trigger the next big movement? Wheel of Fortune. The wheel is turning, cycles change, fate steps in. What was stuck starts moving. What was slow becomes fast. Luck, karma, destiny. It is spinning in your favor. The trigger is coming. It could be one click, one message, one random event. But when it hits hard and quick. The wheel does not ask. It turns. You are on the upswing. The universe pushed this video to tell you, get ready. It's moving. Fourth card, how the money arrives. Knight of Pentacles, steady rider. No drama, no flash, just consistent forward motion. Money comes through work you already started. Content payout, affiliate click, subscription bump, small trade win, forgotten link that pays. Knight is slow but unstoppable. Once he moves, he keeps going. You already know which app, wallet, or platform this is coming through. The universe is confirming. It's real, it's yours, it's close. Fifth card, where this leads 10 of Pentacles Empire. Legacy, security you can touch, money that works for you, freedom to live how you want. Not just one win, a foundation that grows. The 10 shows family-level abundance, enjoyment, stability. The universe sent this video because the story ends with you winning big. Proof in the full spread. 5 Rev, lack reversed, to Ace, seed in hand. To Wheel, fate turns. To Knight, steady arrival. To 10, empire secured. This is your reading. Money is coming your way. Full tie-in, past scarcity cracked open to seed placed in your palm. Right now, to fate wheel spins fast, to steady money rides in, to empire foundation locked. The universe didn't push this video by mistake. It pushed it because the path is clear, the timing is now, and you are the one ready to walk it. What this universe pushed to this energy feels like in your daily life. Random notification feels like it's speaking to you. An old idea suddenly feels alive and urgent. Gut whispers, check that app again. and you find something. Balanced thoughts appear without fear, only calm knowing. Dreams show money symbols, numbers, or win moments that feel real when you wake. Shocking signs money is coming. Watch closely the next days. Phone vibrates or lights up when you think about cash. You think money and an app refreshes or opens itself. Dreams show cash falling, notifications, winning screens, repeating numbers hit hard. 888, abundance. 1111, alignment. 555, change. Small unexpected refund, tip or bonus appears. Gut says today or tomorrow very clearly. Old forgotten idea, trade or link suddenly pays. Feeling of it's already done even before proof. Synchronicities double or triple, number plus money symbol same hour. Calm, unshakable peace that this is happening. Vivid dreams about wealth that leave you energized. Notification or app glitch feels like a direct message. No anxiety, only quiet knowing. Universe sends confirmations every few hours. Song, number, memory. The win arrives the moment you fully detach and trust. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice to lock this in. 1 high leverage action every day. Post content, set up trade, send outreach. Parkinson's law, work expands to fill time, so compress it. No emotional chase, stay cold. Reply short, confident. Universe delivers when you detach. Affirm 3 times per day, morning, night, midday. The universe pushed this video for me. Money is coming perfectly. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Log every sign in Notes app. Screenshot numbers, write gut hits. Proof builds belief and momentum. Cold mindset always. Hungry for more, grateful for what you have, proud but never cocky. No fear, no doubt. Innovate fast. Test one new thing daily. AI tool, angle, post style. Detach from outcome. Celebrate tiny wins silently. Even $5 feels big when you log it. Then push harder for 15,000 plus. Reminders, Parkinson's law, compressed time, no water after 8 p.m., no sugar/unhealthy food, brush teeth twice daily, no touching pimples, back damage lesson. Affirmation, say it out loud 3 times. The universe pushed this video to me right now. Money is coming. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Everything flows perfectly. So it is. This landed deep in your soul, like subscribe, bell on. Comment universe push this to claim it. Drop your sign or next focus below. More money, music, manifestation. Thanks for staying till the end. The universe sent you here for a reason. Use every single second wisely. Push harder.